Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making cookies and cream ganache. Basically, this is white chocolate ganache with Oreo crumbs in it. So let's get started.
Only 3 ingredients. We need 600 grams of white chocolate, 200 milliliters of whipping cream, 80 grams of Oreo cookies chopped or pureed into crumbs, white food coloring, which is optional. Add cream to chopped chocolate, heat in the microwave or over a double boiler until the chocolate completely melts. Stir to combine. Now, I don't really like the color of white chocolate ganache. I find it very yellow, so I prefer to add a bit of white food coloring until I'm happy with the color. However, since we're going to be adding cooking crumbs in a moment, that will affect the color as well, so you absolutely do not have to do this step. Stir in cookie crumbs. Allow to set at room temperature or briefly in the refrigerator until the ganache reaches room temperature. This ganache is very thick when set up. If it's too thick for what you need it, you can heat it briefly in the microwave for 5 to 10 second bursts until it reaches the consistency you need. It tastes really good. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.